Hi guys, it is 4-inch PVC pipe fittings. This is called plain T. These fittings become unusable if wrong fittings during setting. Also many other types of fittings are not reusable. They are also worth a lot. So we need to save money. But today I will show you how to reuse them. In the first step we will need adhesive, pliers, flat screwdriver, even nose pliers and a fire source. The inner pipe should be cleaned. Now the adhesive should be applied in sufficient quantity. This time the fire was set with a lighter. This adhesive catches fire easily. If it is kept on fire for a while, the glue becomes soft. Now it becomes easy to open the inner pipe with screwdriver, pliers. The inner glue and pipe may need to be re-adhesive and fired if necessary. Now the inner pipe came out easily. Second method, it is a better process. I am using a hot song. The inner pipe and glue should be softened with the required heat with a hot gun. Now try to open the inner pipe with screwdriver, pliers. The inner pipe came out very easily. Now the inside of the fittings should be soaked in water with waterproof silicon carbide abrasive paper or sandpaper and brought to normal level. These fittings are now ready for use. The fittings are now being reused. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share, and you can tell me good or bad opinion by comment. Stay tuned by subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.